Hello everyone, I am Tushar Kant and I am currently working as Data Science and Business Analytics Intern at the Spark Foundation. This is the task 5 of my internship, and the aim of this task is to perform exploratory data analysis on the sports data, and my data set is Indian Premier League. So first of all, I have done the imports of all the important libraries like Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and then I have load the first data set, which is matches. First, I have used dot head function to see what's all there are in the data set. So head and tail functions are there, and then info function I have used to get the info of the data information, and then shape to get the idea that what is the number of rows and columns are there in my data set. And then I have used describe to see what is the 25th percentile and what is the mean, standard deviation, and the minimum and maximum of my data set. Similar type of exploration I have done in my second data set. This is so I have loaded the second data set, which is deliveries. So again I have used head, tail, info, and shape and describe. So now I'm here merging the two data sets. So and after merging I am getting the info by dot info function, and after that I am describing that merged data set, and then checking that if id is unique or not. So id is unique, I am getting here true. So id is unique, so this can be used as our index. So I am using here id as index. Matches.describe include all means summary statistics of matches data. Now we are moving towards the pre-processing of the data. Here we will perform data pre-processing on our matches dataset first to make the data usable for exploratory data analysis. So again we will apply dot head function to our matches dataset. So from pre-profiling we found that city has some missing values. This city has some missing values, and team 1 and team 2 columns have 14 distinct values, but winner has 15, but this winner has 15 distinct values. Umpire 1 and umpire 2 have one missing value each. Umpire 3 has 94% of missing values, and city has 33 distinct values while venue has 35 distinct values. Filling in the missing values of the city column. Now, first let's find the venue corresponding to which venue of the cities are empty. So we are using here isNull function to get this. So missing values can be replaced by Dubai, because venue is Dubai, and we can replace the city with Dubai. So here we are replacing, and we can also see umpire 1 and umpire 2 columns have one missing value each. So we are seeing that which one is the missing. So umpire 3 has 92% of missing value, hence we will drop that. So now we are moving forward. We can see city has 33 distinct values while we have 35 venues. Let's find out our venues grouped by cities to see which cities have multiple venues. So here we are using group by function. And now from the above we can observe that Bangalore and Bangalore both are in the data where they are same. So we need to keep one of them. Chandigarh and Mohali are the same, as there is just one stadium in Punjab. Mohali whose value has not been entered correctly, we need to have either Chandigarh or Mohali as well as correct name of the stadium there. Mumbai has three stadiums venue used for IPL. Pune has two venues for IPL. Now we will visualize the number of venues in each city. So plotting this, we get the number of stadiums in different cities like this. This is the frequency, and this is the on x-axis we can see the city's name. Now we will perform the exploratory data analysis. So number of matches played in each season. We can get here that count versus season graph. So this is the number of matches played in each season. You can see in 2013 maximum matches were played, which was more than 70 matches. So 2011 to 13 had more matches being played than other seasons. So how many teams played in each season? Now, how many teams played in each season? For this we will need to plot it like number of team in y-axis and season in x-axis. So we can see here clearly that in 2011, 10 teams played and 9 teams in 2012 and 2013 also. So now we will see venue which has hosted most number of IPL matches. So according to this graph which I have plotted, the Eden Garden is a venue which has hosted most number of IPL matches. Which now we will see which team has maximum wins in IPL so far. So we are creating a data frame matches where season and winner two columns are there. So again, now visualizing this data set, we get to know that Mumbai Indians has winning frequency of 4, means most of the matches, most of the season are won by Mumbai Indians. So now we will see that how toss affect that after winning the toss, choosing to field first or bat first. So we can see here close to 60% teams who choose to field or who choose to chase won the matches. Okay, so now we will move forward how toss decision affects the match result. So winning toss and winning match, you can see here the first blue one represents the field and the yellow one represents the bat. So the one who won the toss and does the field first has more winning probability. So now moving forward, we can see in this visualization we can see team decision to bat first or second after winning toss. So here is the count and here is the toss winner. So we can see now we can see now we will see which player's performance has mostly lead teams win. So you can see here in the graph that Chris Gale Chris Gale has the most MOM awards, man of the match awards. So also top 10 are batsmen, in which kind of hint that in IPL batsmen have mostly dictated the matches. How winning matches by field first varies across venues. So now for this we have also another representation. So batting second has been more, you can see, we can see here that batting in the second inning has more rewarding in almost all venues. Now, is batting second advantageous across all years? So for this we have another histogram like season. You can see except for 2010 and 2015 in all other years it can be seen that teams batting second have won more matches. So now we will see teams total scoring runs over the years. So run scoring has gone, you can see like run scoring has gone up the start of the IPL in 2008. So now top run getters of IPL, like who's the top run getters? For this we have batsmen. Again we have except MS Dhoni, all other top run getters are either openers or come in third or fourth position to bat. Suresh Raina is the highest run getter in IPL. Now we can see, now we will see which batsman has been most consistent among top 10 run getters. So among top 10 run getters, the most consistent score is of Suresh Raina is above all the top 10 run getters. Now we will do for the bowlers. Which bowlers have performed the best? So you can see Malinga here has more than 175 wickets taken. In top 10 bowler, 5 are fast and medium pacer, while other 5 are spinners. All 5 spinners are right arm spinners and 2 are leg spinners, while 3 are off spinners. All 5 pacers are right arm pacers. Now we will see batsmen with the best strike rates over the years. So we have this data for the batsmen with the best strike rate over the years. Now we can see the highest strike rates in IPL, like players having Chris Gale is the highest strike rate, more than 140, and AB de Villiers and Chris Gale both have high strike rates. So bowlers with maximum number of extras, we can see here like bowlers with Lasith Malinga has more than 200 of extra balls. So now we will see which bowlers have picked up wickets more frequently. So bowler Imran Tahir took 82 wickets in 1,249 balls in 6 seasons. So strike rate will be 15.23, 1707 like this. So our objective was to, as a sport analyst, the most successful teams, players, and factors contributing to win or loss of a team. So we can see Mumbai Indians is the most successful team in IPL and has won the almost number of tosses. There were more matches won by chasing the total, defending. There were more matches won by chasing the total than defending. When defending a total, the biggest victory was by 146 runs. When chasing a target, the biggest victory was by 10 wickets. And there were 11 such instances. The Mumbai City has hosted the most number of IPL matches. Chris Gayle has won the maximum number of Player of the Match title. S. Ravi has officiated the most number of IPL matches in one field. And we have also seen that Eden Gardens has hosted the maximum number of IPL matches. And now, teams or players a company should endorse for its products. So obviously, companies will choose the players who are having more popularity and who will perform well in the matches. So if the franchisee is looking for a consistent batsman who needs to score good amount of run, then go for Virat Kohli, Suresh Raina, Rohit Sharma, David Warner, AB de Villiers, Chris Gayle. If the franchisee is looking for a game-chasing batsman, then go for Chris Gayle, AB de Villiers, MS Dhoni. If the franchise is looking for a batsman who could score good amount of run in every match, then go for David Warner, Chris Gayle, Virat Kohli, A.V. de Villiers, Shikhar Dhawan. If the franchise needs the best finisher in the lower order, having good strike rate, then go for Shane Watson, Chris Gayle, Kieran Pollard, Braden McCullum. If the franchise needs experienced bowler, then go for Harbhajan Singh, Piyush Chawla, Ravichandran Ashwin, Malinga, Bravo. If the franchise needs a wicket-taking bowler, then go for Malinga, Bravo, Harbhajan Singh. If the franchisee needs a bowler bowling most number of dot balls, then go for Harbhajan Singh and Lasith Malinga. If the franchisee needs a bowler with good economy, then go for Del Steyn, Muthaiya Muralidharan, Ravichandran Ashwin, Sunil Narine, Harbhajan Singh. So this was all. The objective of my task are completed now. So thank you all.